Hey guys, welcome to a day in the life of a London stylist and a content creator. So today was a very busy day and I was almost rounding up with the work for today. I had a lot of week to work on, but this weeks right here, they were all for one of my clients, so she was supposed to come pick it up the next day. And this is me just packing up and making sure they'll the work done. This was the last one. So I started feeling sick, a bit sick, and I couldn't manage it anymore. So I had to go downstairs and get some drugs, fever drugs. And knock knock, I got a parcel. Could that be my phone? I don't know. But I was just trying to tighten up, and I had one client in between. And after, I wanted to make myself some sandwich, and yeah. And this was the process and everything that I used. So while I was in the train this year going to Blackpool, I had one of these and I didn't know how to make it, but as a good chef, I kind of used my eyes to analyze all the things in the sandwich and I recreated it after I came back from Blackpool. And ever since, this became my favorite. This tastes as good as it looks, just too yummy. And I could probably eat this the whole day. Just one of these. You okay? Maybe you should try it. Mmm, so delicious. I had it with some apple juice, and this was the most delicious meal of the day. Well, guys, if you like this video, please like, share, follow my page, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.